EL4DEV is an association of 24 young British and French companies bound to an American parent company by an agreement to administer a massive and unconventional program. These companies were originally created to operate in that program. EL4DEV is a new concept of social organization, not for profit during initiation phase, and not for profit as the supreme goal. Located to the crossroads between an economic interest group designed to achieve high financial profitability, a transnational NGO working on philanthropic projects for progress purpose, and an institution that conceptualizes on issues of a fair and balanced global governance. EL4DEV is private, transparent, ethical and non-political program that is run by these companies, the members of the grouping. The program is mostly invested by French. The team is qualified and consists of postdoctoral researchers, master's degree graduated, consultants and engineers from diverse environments, and working in synergy with the design and the deployment of this initiative in the context of highly multidisciplinary research. The parent company EL4DEV LLC, registered in the United States, is the founder of the program, and Mr. Alvar Delsa is the chairman and director. EL4DEV is primarily a philosophical approach to our interpretation of the world, an activity of deep reflexive analysis and creation of all our concepts. In a second time, it is a massive alternative education process, enabling individuals' behavioral improvement, leading them to experiment in different ways, and as well a guide to the future of world affairs, using a direction and an unconventional model required to succeed in global governance and creating a self-correcting world for future generations. EL4DEV operates internationally, both at micro and macro level, within several countries at the same time, and in all areas related to economic, financial, social, political, diplomatic, and behavioral progress. The program will be run from the Devon County in the United Kingdom. The EL4DEV Group will be headquartered and will operate from its upcoming creative and sustainable resort city, the Papillon Source. This creative city will contain the program center of multidisciplinary research. EL4DEV's responsibility is to work to bring about transformation at the individual and societal level that will enable us to realize our fundamental interdependence. It raises the level of awareness of all kinds of stakeholders worldwide in order to build a new and sustainable global society and drives them to firmly adopt the role of co-creators. Accordingly, EL4DEV aims to stimulate and restore faith in humanity by demonstrating the ability of men and women to acquire new and multiple knowledge and to use them objectively in order to act the best through the art, intelligence and subtlety of mind. EL4DEV process establishes experiential learning through scientific method, thereby causing the individual to practice research of knowledge while standing out of his habit. These experiments are all informative and allow the individual's progress, both in terms of his vision of the environment in which he operates and his behavior and aspirations. Through its vision and its methodology, EL4DEV brings together a multidisciplinary scientific community and conceptualizes processes, solutions, synergies, and customized high-added value projects. The projects are philanthropic and aim to introduce dynamics within the territories, micro and macro level. Each project is highly interactive because its environment changeable at will by mass cooperation. It is of course supported by the information technologies that are inseparable from the achievement of operational objectives, educational performances, and the necessary full transparency. Control, efficiency measurements, and oriented mass communication are dynamic and in real time. EL4DEV will develop an impressive turnover, which will be largely distributed to these projects. Projects are always innovative, and only ingenious tools used to massively educate all stakeholders of the project's environment and well beyond. The whole is in synergy with local and international partners, and in complete symbiosis with multiple innovative web-based operating software that also generates massive revenues being only a part of a very broad and scalable business model. And EL4DEV is a hybrid technology and consulting startup. But it is above all a revolutionary organization. This atypical business model allows to operate effectively and to be entirely financially autonomous without politicization. EL4DEV needs visionary and ethical contributors sharing his view and wishing to become the co-leaders of the upcoming global progress. Funds acquired will support research and development. The program is actually within a startup stage. 2014, 2015 and 2016 shall be dedicated to research and development, but first revenues generated by the economic model are planned for 2017. The total value of the program is £488 million to completely cover the first 5 years operation. £200 million are entirely dedicated to the creative and sustainable resort city concept, the Papillon Source. So, EL4DEV is an ethical, innovative and evolving program and a sum of science and technology. It is an unusual human experience conceived as a large collective enterprise, a massive quest of subtlety of mind and intelligence of the heart.